Hello, you all. Welcome back to my channel. I am Meghna, and today's video is one of the most requested videos from you guys, which is grocery shopping in Malaysia. So let's get started. So it took us a little while to figure out where you get what, kahan pe kya milta hai, and so I have shot this video into different parts. That is, I've been to different grocery stores, to get different stuff. So I'm going to talk about that at the end, wherein I'm going to give you a little secret insights to save money, tips and tricks to save money, और कहाँ पे क्या best मिलता है, all the Indian masalas, where do you get it, and I'm going to give you the store names as well, and what you can do, to save money and all of that stuff. So keep on watching till the end. Let's flash back to the time when we were traveling to NSK store and Eco Plus store for shopping for vegetables, groceries, and even the toiletries and stuff. We went there for our monthly grocery shopping, and both of these stores are nearby, so it's a plus for us. So we had to travel by train because it's a bit far from where we live, and after a few stops we reached the mall where the stores are there. You can see how happy I am. Actually, I love grocery shopping, especially the eco store where you get everything for 2.6 rm now. This is how the store looks, and everything is for 2.6 rm. Earlier it was for 2.4 rm. You get everything from stationery, from eateries, from household stuff, and my favorite part is stationery, so I'm showing you just that. But you can get a lot of things, kitchen items, see, all these knickknacks that you need at home. You get that: hand washes, detergents, soaps. So all of this you get for 2.6 rm. We generally, what we do is we shop for 2-3 months ka groceries and all these toiletries together, so we don't have to come here again and again. But it's a nice place. यहाँ पे आएंगे तो कम से कम it takes 2 to 3 hours. So you should mind that, and you should come here noon time so that not many people are there and you can shop peacefully. If you come in the evening, it will be a lot of rush. So make a note of this and come having 4 to 5 hours with you, because after this you'll also have to go to grocery shopping, right? So this is the place where you can just get knickknacks, stationery, toiletries and stuff. But for grocery shopping, again, you will need 2 to 3 hours. So total 4 to 5 hours चले ही जाते हैं, और आफ्टरनून में आना, so that आपका टाइम बचेगा. So here we spent around 100 rm, and you can see that we are carrying our own plastic bags also, so it's great. So the next stop was NSK groceries. It's nearby to the Eco Plus store. As you can see, you get everything here. Everything under the sun. It's huge. So these are all the vegetables, which are probably Chinese or something, because I didn't know what are these. I had never seen this, but I have mentioned the prices. See, the carrot is from China and it is almost just 2 ringgits for 1 kg. So it is extremely cheap. As you can see, 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, 3 ringgit, ऐसे the costs are there, and all types of fruits and vegetables are available here. Can you see the broccoli is just for 1 ringgit? One whole broccoli is for 1 ringgit, so it's that cheap. And the onions are again for 1.6 rm and 2 rm. Here's the from China, from India, from Pakistan, from Egypt, from all the different countries. See, this one is from Egypt, as I was saying. So the potatoes and lasoon and all those things, you get it from different countries, so you can choose from which country you have to buy. And once you get it, you have to get it weighed like this, and they'll add the price tag on it. So the at the end, when you have to make the payment, it will be easier, because there are two sections: grocery section as well as the vegetable sections, right? And we also get our milk from here. 2-3 months ka milk we took it together. And can you see the size of the mango? We were talking about the size of the mango. It's more bigger than my palm, and it was for 8 ringgits. Honestly, the mango that we took, the bigger size mango, it's for 8 ringgits, but it was delicious. It was not Indian, and we were contemplating whether we should buy or no, but ultimately we bought it because it was something different and it was mango season at that time. And here I am buying some avocados. If you have seen my shorts, I am an avocado girl now. I love avocados and avocado toast. I've also learned to make avocado pasta, by the way. Here's Swapnil buying his junk food. So this is one of the brands that we have fallen in love with. It's Oat Crunch, and these are oat cookies which are awesome, yummy, delicious. And I am here saying that I am tired by walking. I think 10,000 steps plus on this day because the NSK store is huge. As I said, you get everything there from dal chawal to your masalas and everything. You get it here, but Indian stuff you get rarely. So all the Indian masalas you probably don't find. For that you have to go to modern store. I will show you modern store ka outing even from outside in some time. Here I think it costed us around 300 ringgits, but the milk and all was for 2 months. So yeah, it was not just for 1 month. NSK grocery, if you want to know. And the bag is from grocery, yeah. So koi bhi bag we just bring. So yeah, once you come here by metro or monorail, you have to go back by cab because you cannot carry all that weight by yourself, right? This is the next day when we went to the modern store. Here you come for buying your groceries, Indian masalas and everything. Vegetables are also there, but they're a bit expensive. Okay, now let's talk about some tips and tricks to save money. So number one tip is that you can buy 2-3 months ka groceries together from modern store. You'll get all the dals, rice, wheat atta and everything from there, and it is quite reasonable to shop from modern rather than shopping it from other local stores. So you'll save a lot of money there. Another tip is to shop for all your detergents, soaps, hand washes, toiletries, and other knickknacks for home from Eco or Eco Plus stores. It is very cheap as compared to other stores. Most of the items cost only 2.6 RM. Earlier it was 2.4. Now they have increased it to 2.6. Still, it is extremely reasonable, and your total will, even if you buy a lot of things, your total will come to only about 80 to 100 every time. So that's an important tip that you can follow. Now let's talk about buying vegetables, fruits, etc. So there are a lot of places that you can get fresh fruits and vegetables, but I would recommend you to buy them from NSK. It is like a departmental store, but the vegetables there are extremely cheap. Most of the vegetables are from India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and even Egypt. You must have seen in the video that we have, shot for you guys. So that's a very, very reasonable store to shop your vegetables from. Another thing is you can also try and go to the Thursday market, which is at the KL Central near the Palm Court area. So that is also a cheap alternative to NSK. And in Value Bazaar, you will get everything that modern store, NSK store, and these markets for vegetables and fruits that they have. But Value Bazaar is slightly more expensive than all of the stores that I have mentioned. So I only shop in Value Bazaar when I don't get any particular Indian item. I need something Indian, like I was not getting Rajgira anywhere else, but I got it at Value Bazaar. So everything Indian masalas and everything related to India, like all the festival related stuff, वहाँ पे तो गणपति भी मिलते हैं in September, August, September. So everything you get in Value Bazaar, so you can check that out as well. If it is nearer to your home, then you can choose to shop from there every month for your groceries. not an issue. You get vegetables and fruits also. I have found is modern store is slightly more expensive when it comes to vegetables and fruits, but it is cheaper for your dals, your masalas, and other groceries that you need for a month. So that you can shop from modern, but for vegetables you can go to NSK and the Thursday market. But if agar thoda kuch khatam ho jata है and if you need it, so you can obviously buy that from your local store as well. One more small tip that I have for you guys is that all these grocery stores charge for the bags, right? So you can carry your own large bags when you go for your monthly grocery shoppings in all the stores. 2.4 rm or 2.6 rm mein to the bag itself is for 2.6 rm, so it's better that you carry your own bags to save money a little bit. Now, let's talk a little bit about how much you will need on a monthly basis for groceries. So, around 250 ringgits should be for your dal, chawal, rice, wheat, masalas, and everything, pulses, everything that you can buy. Around 100 rm can be for your toiletries, detergent, soaps, hand washes, and all the knickknacks, ropes, and everything that you need for your home. Around 100, and for vegetables and fruits it can be around 50 ringgits every week, so 200 ringgits a month. So the total would be around 500 to 800 ringgits per month for two people, or if you have a child, then for three people it will be around 1000 ringgits. So you can calculate accordingly. So these are all the tips and tricks I have for you guys on grocery shopping in Malaysia related jo bhi hai. So if you have any more questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer them or make a new video about them. And yep, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you. Bye. I was supposed to release this video earlier, but there was some technical issue with the footage, my phone, and then my specs. Long story. So yeah, थोड़ा late हो गया, but I